Hi, everyone. Today, I want to go over an exciting topic. It is the Orbitkit Merge Wizard integration. It is so amazing. Um, but before I go too far into it, I just want to make sure if you're watching this video in the future, um, the Merge Wizard version that I'm using is 4.42. So if you have a more updated version than that, some of this might not apply, or if you have an older version. So the version I'm using is 4.42. The other thing to mention is that I am going to link videos in the description of this video that go through how to set up the integration. This video is not going to go into how to set up the integration. It's just going to explain how to use it once you have it set up and what my workflow is. The other housekeeping thing that I wanted to say is that some people worry about using Orbitkit. They think that it might go against some of the terms of service of some of the platforms that Orbitkit integrates with. So Orbitkit basically is a site that will help you upload to several different platforms all at once. You just upload to Orbitkit, and then Orbitkit uploads to all the other platforms. I've read the terms of service, and I have, talked with people at Orbitkit, and I feel comfortable using it. I feel like it's fine, but each person has to decide for themselves. So I just wanted to mention that up front. And then in terms of setting it up, again, I linked those videos in the description. But one other thing I'll just briefly mention is just this niches tab. So I'm in the Airtable of Merge Wizard. So if you open up your Airtable, the last tab says niches. You want to make sure all of this is filled out before you start using Orbitkit, because you really need to have these niches and tags, which we'll talk about in a minute. But go through and set this up. Basically, just do the name of the niche, and then go over here to niche keywords, type in all the keywords that have to do with it, and then if there's a parent niche, you list that here. So for example, with wine, I don't know if you guys can see this clearly, hopefully you can, but with wine, I did different keywords for wine, and then I put it under the parent niche of alcohol. So you can see alcohol I listed right here, and I put the keywords for alcohol. Once you put parent niche, it automatically pulls all those keywords that I listed here, and it puts it here. And then it'll come up with the total keywords combining those two niches. Okay, so make sure you fill this out for all the different niches that you have. And then the workflow that I have, since I have all this set up now, is that first I upload the shirts to Merch, and then let them process, let them upload and become live. Once they're live, I push all the listings to Airtable. So then I go into Airtable. So this is at the end of your day when you've already uploaded everything. You go into Airtable, you click on the listings tab, and then if it's the listings you just did, it should be at the bottom. So you can just scroll all the way down your page to the bottom, and it should be there. So for me, I was doing some exercise shirts. I'm actually behind, so I didn't upload these today, but that's what I was working on today. So these are all exercise shirts. So all I did is I went to niche tab. So we're in the listings tab. Scroll over till you see niche, and we'll pretend like I didn't add it. You would just type in workout, and it'll pull up the, what's it doing? It'll pull up the niche. Oh, because I had already listed it. There we go. Okay, so you just select workout. If there was more than one niche, you can add another one. So you would just click the arrow again, and you'd add another category. In this case, it's just one. So that's it. The tags right next to it, the column right next to niche, is if there's something specific about this shirt that you want to add. So maybe it's not just a workout shirt. Maybe it's a workout shirt for running, or a workout shirt for lifting weights, or something like that. In this case, it's really just a generic workout shirt. But if you wanted to, you could add a tag that's specific to that shirt. So you would say something like running, or whatever is specific to this shirt. That's what goes in tags. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that out. But then as you scroll over, the final keyword section here at the end, that includes everything from your niche, everything from your tags, all combined, and it comes out with the final keywords. That populates into your Chrome extension. So you click on the Merch Wizard Chrome extension, and I already have one of the shirts pulled up, but you would just search for the shirt you want, and it shows. You want to make sure that the shirt has all the description, the tags, everything, and then you just push it to Orbitkit right here. I just noticed this doesn't have the PNG. You have to have the PNG file. So let me see if one of the other ones had it. Okay, this one has the PNG file. So you want to make sure that it has a PNG file, you want to make sure the description is filled out, and you want to make sure the tags are filled out. As long as you have all of that, then it's good to go for sending to Orbitkit. And it doesn't matter if you pick the standard t-shirt in the UK or the US, or even if you pick a long sleeve shirt, it's fine. You just only need one of them. So you just pick one. And then you just click this little thing. It says push listing to Orbitkit. You push it, and that's literally all it is. It says success, open in Orbitkit. So then it's completely set up in Orbitkit. So you can click on it if you want to. I usually wait till the end of all my shirts and go to Orbitkit. But you go ahead and open it. It pulls up the shirt right here in Orbitkit, and that's it. You're all set. And then from here, it'll get pushed out to all of the other platforms. You just have to add your archetype of where, how you set it up. So for this, I will do dark backgrounds. And that is it. That's all you have to do. You're done. So that's the quick and easy Orbitkit Merch Wizard integration. If you have questions, just let me know. Put it in the comments below. Thanks, guys.